Hello everyone, welcome to the Dynamic Programmers YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about how to add software shortcuts to the pop-up menu of Windows 11. As you can see there, a shortcut available in pop-up menu. So let's start and add Chrome to the pop-up menu. First of all, press Windows key plus R to open the Run command. Second, write regedit on the Run command and press Enter. Here you will find some folders. You have to open the HKY classes root here and expand it. After expanding it, you have to click any of these folders and press the letter D from keyboard and then find the directory folder. When you find the directory folder, just expand it and you will find the background folder. Expand the background folder and then the shell. And PowerShell folders are here. Just expand the shell folder. And then right-click on Shell folder and create a new key here and rename it as Google Chrome. Now right-click on the Google Chrome folder and create a new key and then rename it as Command in small letters. After this, you can see a default string on the Command folder. Just right-click on it and click on Modify. It will ask for the path. Now simply go to your PC and click on C Drive and then click on Program Files, and there you should find the Google folder, and then open it and check for Google Chrome.exe. After finding the Chrome in Program File, press Shift from keyboard and right-click from mouse, and then C for Copy Path option. Copy the path and go back to the registry, just paste the path here, and click on OK. Now right-click on the desktop and click on Show More Options, and you will see the Google Chrome option here, but the icon of Google Chrome is not visible. Just come back to Registry Edit and click on Google Chrome folder, and in the blank space, just right-click and go to New, and there you have to create a string value and rename the string value to icon, and the letter must be in the capital letter. Now click on Icon and provide the path of Google Chrome, which you have copied already. And now come back to the pop-up menu and you will see the Google Chrome with its icon visible. Just click on it and enjoy the Google Chrome. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting tips and tricks. Have a good time. Bye.